Introducing QScan, our new integrated platform for QFlow Windows desktop scanning geared for high volume as well as small document sets. To begin, you will click on the Login button, which will take you through the web-based QAction login flow that you're already familiar with. Upon login, you will be presented with the capture flows that you are authorized to scan into. A capture flow determines the type of document separation that has been prepared for the documents that you are about to scan. This could include patch codes or barcodes, or you can even do scanning without any separation at all to scan a single document, or if you wanted to do separation on the screen. In this particular case, we will select patch codes and we will select some basic information about the type of documents we are about to scan, and then hit the scan button. At this point, the documents will be fed in through the scanner and then presented to the user to be reviewed through quality control. On the right-hand side, you can see the documents. You have the ability to zoom in to the documents if you choose. You can even zoom into specific areas if need be, and zoom back out. Using the keyboard, you can quickly use the arrow keys to navigate up and down through the documents that have been scanned for review. Here you notice that there is a page upside down. This can quickly be resolved by 2 keystrokes to rotate the page. Furthermore, documents can be manipulated through a context menu through the tree view structure to rotate, create, split, delete, move pages around as necessary. Here we have a situation where perhaps we had a misfeed with the scanner or the document was prepped incorrectly, and this is the start of a new document. By simply pressing the S key, we can split this document into 2. Notice now there are 5 documents instead of 4. Once the documents have all been reviewed, the user simply clicks the Submit button, which will send the documents up to a centralized server for further processing